Hello. So for the written communication of Project 3, this is the SLO reflection. And so the main point of the written communication is to pay attention to the needs of the audience and to avoid errors while creating a clear message. So going to Project 3, I felt that I needed to describe the importance of occupational therapy and included a YouTube video that describes the interaction of an occupational therapy activity. So here is the therapist and here is the client or the child. Stated in the description box is the age of the child here, who is 2 years old. So, aside from the video, I also wanted to demonstrate the adaptability and the confidence that this therapist creates. When working with children, you also have to gain a trust, so you have a therapeutic rapport between the therapist and the child. Also was the intent of this project was to provide a technical description and again about an occupational therapy activity. So the needs of the audience, I had to keep in mind that even though I have a clinical background, I needed to include textual descriptions within the within the YouTube video. The YouTube video was also incorporated into Project 1. So here is Project 1. So again, this is the same video, however, it was edited and revised and included into Project 3. Again, it was revised to have textual descriptions within the video. So I will provide the YouTube video. So the title was new, the descriptions, so provide visual verbal cues. I wanted the textual descriptions to be very concise and very short. So this accomplishes that. So we'll go to another textual description here. So here, this one's a little bit longer. Again, I wanted to provide a descriptive description of the objective that the therapist uses. Again, I had to understand that the audience, they don't have a clinical background, so I wanted to use a family-friendly language and to also get my point across as well.